Hello and welcome back to Baby We Eatz. Today we are making hamburger hash. It's quick and easy and it'll be ready in less than 30 minutes. It's tender potatoes with juicy ground beef hamburger and cheese and onions. For our ingredients, we have potatoes, ground beef, vegetable oil, white onions, garlic, Italian seasoning, salt, black pepper, and cheddar cheese. You want to boil your potatoes in water until they are tender, but not soft and mushy. This will take anywhere from 5 to 7 minutes. You want to drain the water and then set your potatoes aside. Now here we're going to move on and we're going to cook our hamburger. Now in a large skillet over high heat, we're going to cook our ground beef. We're going to cook our ground beef until it is brown. Now we're going to drain off any fat and we're going to put our beef in a bowl and we're going to set that aside. Here I'm going to add my seasonings. I added some complete seasoning and a little bit of garlic powder. And then you could just add in additional season like your Italian season, your salt, and your black pepper. So here we're just going to cook our ground beef until it is brown. And we're going to put it in a bowl and we're going to set it aside. Here I'm cooking my potatoes and I'm just making sure that all that butter gets all over the potatoes so they could evenly cook. We're going to cook the potatoes until they have started to brown. This takes about 5 minutes. You want to stir often. You want to flip them and cook them until they're brown on the other side. So here we're going to remove our potatoes and we're going to set those aside. Now, in the same pan, we're going to add our onions, our garlic, and we're going to cook those until those are fragrant. And now here I'm just adding about a tablespoon of butter. Now here I'm adding my ground beef back to my onions. And now I'm going to add in my cooked potatoes, which you can see they are nice and crispy. They are done, but they are not mushy. Now here I'm going to add half of my cheese. And I'm just going to mix that cheese up in my hamburger and my potatoes. Just want to mix it up. This is a quick, easy dish. It's delicious. And now I'm just going to add the cheese on the top. And I'm going to just put the top on and let the cheese melt. And then I'm going to garnish it with some green onions. And here's our hamburger hash. Today we made hamburger hash. I want to thank you for watching Baby We Eatz. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.